Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Samsung has now officially started rolling out the stable One UI 7.0 update, which is based on Android 15, for the Galaxy S24 series. So, if you're using a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, the wait is finally over. You can now upgrade to the newest version of the software and enjoy a refreshed experience full of new features and intelligent improvements. The update rollout first began with users who were already part of the beta testing program, with the initial release happening in South Korea. Right now, it's only available there, but don't worry, this is just the beginning. Samsung plans to release the update in more regions over the coming days. For those of you in the United States, the stable One UI 7.0 update is expected to land by April 10th. In Canada, users might see it roll out around April 11th, and for Malaysia, it's likely to become available on or around April 14th. So if you haven't gotten the update yet, just hang in there, it's almost here. This update info was shared on X by Tarun Vats, and he also revealed the build version of this release. And it's not only the Galaxy S24 series getting the update. Samsung has also started pushing the stable One UI 7.0 update for Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 users who were part of the beta program in South Korea. Upgrading to the official One UI 7 is really easy. All you need to do is head over to your settings, tap on Software Update, and your phone will check Samsung's servers for the new version. If it's available, just hit download and install. Since you're moving from One UI 6.1 or the One UI 7.0 beta to the full stable release, it's a good idea to create a backup before installing. Samsung updates are generally reliable, but it's always a smart move to back up your data before doing a major upgrade, just to be safe. So, have you received the update yet? Or are you still waiting for it to show up on your phone? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech updates. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss a notification. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.